Where we at, Mr. No Good?
We at the pasta bowl on our lunch break. Nate said, fuck it, we look bad, let's do it anyway. I'm like, bro, we at work. He like, fuck it, let's do it. We on Lindsay and 6 Mile at the pasta bowl.
No doubt.
West side of Detroit, between Southfield and Greenfield. We finna run in here. A lot of people told us to come here. I have no clue what they got in here. We've never been here. I've never known anybody that's been here.
Ever.
We finna go in here.
I hope they got something hot. They can't even see it.
But in y'all video, we been waiting on y'all.
Y'all been watching?
We the owners, it's a wrap too.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what's up.
Like as a black business owner, you know, you need the exposure. You got to excuse some of our people because I seen the little tailor-made situation. Credit card thing, but should I get it? Should the IRS count every coin?
Absolutely.
We swipe on there. So I'm doing keep it up.
Okay.
We need that.
Yes.
We got another one opening up called Detroit Taco, which is down the street.
Oh, really? Okay.
Mr. B Soul Food, that's our business partner.
Wow.
So we trying to do a whole black restaurant coalition type thing.
Wow.
I don't know, bro. I thought this was just pasta. They throwing me. You videotaping the menu?
Yeah. I'm about to show them. Y'all go right here. They got a variety of food. We didn't even know they own It's a Wrap too. It's a Wrap was real good. They got the lamb chops.
I'm a beef fan.
I want the Chase Love.
And the June Jerk.
And the June Jerk. Yeah. Can y'all make that a little spicy, Chase Love?
Both of them.
Both of them?
Yeah.
Both of them. $25.
Yeah.
I'm tired.
So what you say, Mr. No Good?
You know the crazy part about this is we walk in there, right, looking rough. Would you show them you, please? And they know us. And they like, yeah, come on in, we waiting on y'all. We love y'all stuff.
Yeah.
And we like, well, he like,
us?
We should have went. I'm glad we came.
Yeah.
On our lunch break.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see. They seemed they was nice. They courteous. It's clean in there.
No
They
doubt.
got the window open so you can see straight in the kitchen. They met us at the door.
Yes.
And it's not just pasta.
No.
Screwed me up. I thought it was just like
Pasta place.
like soup.
So many
you know what I'm
pastas,
saying?
yeah.
It's not just pasta. They got lamb chops. They got turkey and vegetables. They got shrimp. They got chicken. They got an array of things. You got to come here. It's on 6 Mile in Lindsay.
Yes, sir.
We are getting ready to eat their food. Stay tuned. When we sitting in that truck, you know it's real business. Yeah.
And this is the barbecue chicken thing.
Okay.
Yeah. It's Man Amongst Men Food Review. We just left the Pasta Bowl on 6 Mile, West 6 Mile in Lindsay.
Yep.
The ladies were courteous.
Yes.
The place was clean.
Clean.
We found out that they are the same owners of
It's a Wrap.
It's a Wrap.
Yep.
We gave them a real nice review. We're getting ready to dig into this food right here and let you know exactly what it is.
Let's
it's warm and it smells good.
They got biscuits in here.
Fago.
There you go.
Get at us, Fago.
Look at that. Look at that.
Clean my palate.
With pop. Alright. Show them this, man. Oh my god.
Napkins.
It's heavy.
What is that? It's a little roll with cheese and
I'll show
that's
them.
what's up.
Come on, late man. You ready?
What's up? This nigga here. This nigga has been on some BS all single solitary day. I just want
Come
to
on, man.
I'm not
You
supposed
late.
to be here.
Yeah. Look at that. You gonna make it spill.
We always spill shit in my car. We can't spill shit in your car.
Look at that.
That is delicious.
Get it up there. Show them that thing.
Look at that.
Oh my God.
That looks delicious.
That look good, don't it?
And it's got weight to it.
It's heavy.
Absolutely.
Oh my God.
I got the yellow bell peppers, the red bell peppers, and the green bell peppers. This is called June the Jerk.
And this is called Chase Love.
Absolutely.
Let's see what's up.
Okay.
Y'all gotta excuse us. We on the lunch break.
We on the lunch break.
Reviews to y'all.
We looking rough. And I gotta let y'all know I ain't a big fan of pasta. But yeah.
And you got angel hair, and people don't really like angel hair like that.
I ain't a big fan of pasta. But I go anywhere and eat anything.
It's pretty good. Barbecue sauce and macaroni.
That is good.
How many of y'all to try that?
Shrimp. Look at that. And they cleaned them to perfection.
It's different.
That's good. That's good.
What you say?
Once again, another short review, y'all. We sorry.
What you
This
say?
is delicious.
They black on now.
This is good. Yeah, this is nice. I like this. For me to have never been here and never known anybody that's been here,
You gonna eat that?
I'm gonna eat this. You want some?
Yeah, I want some.
You got to get
That
something.
look good.
You got to get something. Get your
Man,
friend.
give me a piece of shrimp. What's wrong with you?
I'm sorry. Oh, you said motherfucker. There you go.
Let me get this, man. What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, do I get some chicken then?
You can get a little chicken. You want a little of this pasta?
Yeah, can I get the whole man?
Go ahead, nah.
That's stingy, nigga.
Go ahead.
Go ahead and check this out. That's that deal right there.
That's different. Yeah. Barbecue and macaroni put together.
That's good right there.
Yeah. That's good.
I get this meal.
Go ahead now.
I got to get them an A1.
A1?
A1. I got to.
Okay.
And if it sounded like I said A1, I'm giving them that too.
It's A1 for sure. I'm gonna say this barbecue chicken. It's about an A5. It's real good.
This is buttery, garlicky deliciousness.
Okay. How them vegetables
And it's
taste?
flavorful. Do I owe you some of them too?
I mean,
Kinda do.
nah.
I'm kind of mad you ain't got shit else to give me. Like if I give you something else, you ain't got shit else in your thing. You ain't got nothing to give me.
Nigga, we gotta trade for trade. That's how you feeling?
Today.
All right, good.
Cause you like, give me them goddamn shrimp.
It's good.
This shit is delicious.
It's good.
Ladies, y'all did y'all thing. Chef, he did his thing.
You gonna try that?
They welcomed us with open arms. I got to eat one more of these shrimp. Got to. Yeah.
Who got the best rolls in the city? That's what I want to know.
Yeah.
Cause
Pasta bowl. Absolutely. What'd you say?
this ain't bad.
Okay.
I don't taste a lot of flavor in here or nothing, but
Look at that.
The actual bread isn't bad.
What's that green shit on there? It's probably good. We only had one green stuff bad experience, and that was in a waffle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This ain't bad.
Let me see. I like that.
It ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. Yeah.
It's a good piece of bread.
The pasta bowl.
It's soft. It ain't overbearing with seasonings. It's got seasonings in it.
It got seasoning.
And it ain't overbearing with the cheese. Man,
It's a
it's
good
nice.
roll.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's a good roll.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we appreciate y'all for watching. Please follow us on Facebook. Hit the like button. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can email us at Man Amongst Men Podcast. We have a podcast. You can go on SoundCloud and you can go on iTunes. Please buy you a shirt at spreadshirt.com/Men Amongst Men.
Yeah.
We truly appreciate it. Support your own.
Hey.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, the owner coming.
Yeah.
It was behind the door.
Oh, okay.
So the wind must have carried.
You can have it.
Oh.
You can have it.
Y'all enjoyed it?
Yeah,
We
it was
love
good.
Did you?
It was good.
Well, no.
Okay.
Come on back and see me.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Yeah.
It was really good?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
It was good.
Absolutely.
Yup.
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm like, that's the $5. It must have got sucked in with the air.
Okay.
Mm.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
That was the owner. Not only are they clean, kind, and courteous, they honest too, because she didn't have to come out there and give us the $5 back.
No. But this was Men Amongst Men.
I'm Mr. No Good.
Nate Jones, we'll see y'all. What you say?
I'm Mr. No Good.
Okay. What you supposed to say to him? I was about to end the video.
I was waiting on you. You done? Okay, well, possible. Let's fucking do it. Possible. Let us eat it first.
No doubt.
Ah.
We out.